Hi friends, Ingrid here from Open Journey. I just want to say hi quickly and show you what I'm journaling with this second Sunday of Lent, March 1st. We're working through the Grace Kit, the Lent Kit, the second one, and I'm working through daily readings, and today is, we had the reading from Matthew 17, the Transfiguration, and it's such a beautiful account, and I thought this ties in so well with the part of devotional where I'm speaking of the hidden layers of corrugated cardboard and how this succession of hills and valleys gives such a strength to our spiritual life. And this was beautiful because it was one of those accounts. It was a summit, right? Both physically and figuratively or spiritually. And it was so beautiful to see how this ties in with the devotional. I'm gonna flip the camera over. I'm gonna show you what I journaled and how I journaled, and you're gonna have a better idea what I'm talking about when I'm gonna show you the image. But anyway, this was so beautiful, and I hope this strengthens you on your Lenten journey. So here actually I used an image from the Transfiguration kit. I'm not sure you're familiar with it. It was released a few years ago, and has a few cool images of Jesus and his disciples. It's a small account, so it's a kind of a small kit, but small study. Anyway, I used images from that kit here because I have the word Transfiguration and Jesus, and these are the images of the cardboard that are in the kit. There are a few other ones. I used some of the tickets, the journaling tickets, because they fit so well in here. They're kind of small and narrow. And also I used one of the tickets to punch. I'm going to show you how I did it. I punched a few tabs on the ticket to have here for the Bible. So I wanted to mention here these little titles on the tabs. All sticker sheets in the kits come like on the bottom. It says clear sticker, faith notes. It's all grace, like the title of the kit, Lent. Same here. So you cut these out and you can apply them to, they're so useful to use them for this purpose. So you can label the kit you're journaling. For the tab, I just used the tab punch. It's hard to do with one hand, but just wanted to show you. I just do two of them and kind of sandwich the page in between the tabs. So, and actually I did it for my notes in the daily readings for the Lent season. I kind of did the same thing here. I used the keyword transfigured that comes on these small stickers, and they correspond to the keywords on the stickers, so you can match them up when you journal. And what I was journaling about was a beautiful example of how, after being up on the mountain and witnessing this extraordinary event, they walk down the mountain. So they go technically down in the valley where they're not alone. Still, when they're walking the valley, Jesus walks with them. He goes down the mountain with them. And ultimately, I love this, that the deepest transfiguration will occur at Jesus's passion. There we're truly gonna see the face of God and his character and his faithfulness and what he will do for us. So I love the continuation of the transfiguration into his passion. I hope you're enjoying journaling with this kit, and it offers you inspiration and a good theme to meditate upon on this Lenten journey. Thank you so much.